After years of hard work, he finally got the news. A raise, more money, a better life, or so he thought. With more money coming in, his lifestyle started changing. Better coffee, better gadgets. Why not? He deserved it. A new phone, new clothes, subscriptions, upgrades. Life was improving, at least on the outside. But something strange started happening. The more he earned, the more he spent. His salary increased, but somehow his money disappeared faster than ever. That's when he realized something important. The problem wasn't his income, it was his lifestyle. He made a decision: no more mindless spending. At first it wasn't easy. Temptations were everywhere. But discipline started to grow. When spending stopped growing, something else started growing instead. Real wealth isn't about earning more, it's about needing less. Control your lifestyle and you control your future.